Hallmark Capital Management Inc. increased ROST Stores Inc. ROST, staked by 3.86% reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. Hallmark Capital Management Inc. acquired 8,770 shares as ROST Stores Inc. ROST's stock declined 9.26%. The Hallmark Capital Management Inc. holds 236,200 shares with $13.64 million value, up from 227,430 last quarter. ROST Stores Inc. now has $24.44 P valuation. The stock increased 0.11%, or 7 cents during the last trading session, reaching $63.39. About shares traded. ROST Stores Inc. NASDAQ ROST has risen 12.03% since October 20, 2016 and is uptrending. It is underperformed by 4.67% the S&P 500. Analysts expect Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, to report $2.04 EPS on October 25. They anticipate 15 cents EPS change, or 7.94% from last quarter's $1.89 EPS. WYN's profit would be $209.60 million, giving it 13.39 PE, if the $2.04 EPS is correct. After having $1.53 EPS previously, Wyndham Worldwide Corporation's analysts see 33.33% EPS growth. It closed at $109.3. Lastly, it is down 43.20% since October 20, 2016 and is uptrending. It is outperformed by 26.50% the S&P 500. Investors' sentiment decreased to 0.82 in 2017 Q2. It's down 0.19 from 1.01 in 2017 Q1. It is negative, as 42 investors sold Wyndham Worldwide Corporation shares, while 188 reduced holdings. 68 funds opened positions, while 121 raised stakes. 95.82 million shares, or 0.32% less from 96.13 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. North Star Investment MGMT invested in 775 shares. Brandywine Globe Investment MGMT LC holds 0.1% in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, or 151,217 shares. Moreover, Patstone Family Office Limited Liability has 0% invested in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, for 4 shares. 219,997 were accumulated by Kames Public Limited Liability. All PRTN Limited Liability Partnership invested in 148,674 shares. Loothole GRP Limited Liability has invested 0.71% in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN. Legal & General GP Public Limited Com owns 583,725 shares. Panagora Asset holds 109,095 shares. National Bank of Montreal can reported 0.22% in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN. First Allied Advisory Serve stated it has 0.02% in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN. Asset MGMT, Colorado-based fund reported 11,259 shares. Conning has invested 0.01% in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN. Massachusetts-based Rangers McVeigh Capital MNGMT Limited Liability Corporation has invested 0.21% in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN. Amerigroup reported 0.02% of its portfolio in Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN. Eaton Vance holds 11,235 shares, or 0% of its portfolio. Wyndham Worldwide Corporation is a hospitality company. The company has market cap of $11.23 billion. The firm offers a range of hospitality services and products through its global portfolio of brands. It has a 20.32 P/E ratio. The firm operates through 3 divisions: Wyndham Hotel Group, Wyndham Destination Network and Wyndham Vacation Ownership. Among 11 analysts covering Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, 5 have buy rating, 1 sell and 5 hold. Therefore 45% are positive. Wyndham Worldwide Corporation had 19 analyst reports since July 30, 2015 according to Stratton Sintel. The rating was initiated by Buckingham Research with buy on Monday, June 19. The stock of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, has buy rating given on Wednesday, June 21 by Stifel Nicolaus. The firm has buy rating given on Thursday, October 29 by Goldman Sachs. Wolfe Research downgraded Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, on Friday, April 28 to underperform rating. The stock of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, has neutral rating given on Monday, September 26 by Goldman Sachs. The firm has neutral rating given on Friday, February 5 by Credit Suisse. The firm has market perform rating by Telsey Advisory Group given on Friday, August 4. The firm earned buy rating on Thursday, January 14 by M Partners. The stock has buy rating by SunTrust on Tuesday, October 17. Deutsche Bank maintained Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, on Tuesday, July 18 with hold rating. Since May 3, 2017, it had 0 insider buys and 1 sale for $33,127 activity. $33,127 worth of Wyndham Worldwide Corporation, New York Stock Exchange WYN, shares were sold by Herrera George. Investors' sentiment increased to 1 in Q2 2017. It's up 0.09 from 0.91 in 2017 Q1. It increased as 72 investors sold ROST shares, while 211 reduced holdings. 67 funds opened positions, while 217 raised stakes. 339.81 million shares, or 0.06% more from 339.61 million shares in 2017 Q1 were reported. Tershwell and Lowy reported 203,280 shares. Highland Cap Management Limited (COM) owns 0.02% invested in ROST Stores Incorporated, NASDAQ ROST, for 3,703 shares. Stratos Wealth PRTN Limited holds 6,589 shares, or 0.02% of its portfolio. Piedmont Imb Advisors Limited holds 0.13% or 98,551 shares in its portfolio. GW Henseler and Assox Limited invested in 169,807 shares, or 1.02% of the stock. Rebecca Institutional Asset MGMT invested in 0.13%, or 339,894 shares. First Personal invested in 0% or 43 shares. Gulf Interbank Shares, HUC, Limited holds 0.1% of its portfolio in ROST Stores Incorporated, NASDAQ ROST, for 124,977 shares. Bessemer Group stated it has 0% in ROST Stores Incorporated, NASDAQ ROST. 19,578 were reported by Oppenheimer Asset Management. Valorigin Limited Liability Corporation holds 493,822 shares. Royal Bank and Trust of Canada accumulated 0.05%, or 1.66 million shares. D.E. Shaw Company Incorporated invested in 2.69 million shares. Capstone Invest LLC reported 108,222 shares, or 0.17% of all its holdings. Moreover, Colony GRP Incorporated Limited Company has 1.12% invested in ROST Stores Incorporated, NASDAQ ROST. Hallmark Capital Management Inc. decreased Altria Group Inc. New York Stock Exchange MO, staked by 11,765 shares to 10,657 valued at $794,000 in 2017 Q2. It also reduced Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT, stake by 7,176 shares and now owns 289,983 shares. Anthem Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange ANTM, was reduced to. Since May 22, 2017, it had 0 buys and 1 sale for $1.02 million activity. On Monday, May 22, Garrett Sharon D. sold $1.02 million worth of ROST Stores Incorporated, NASDAQ ROST, or 16,130 shares.